Right then guys, so this is the Time Is Money challenge board. The whole premise in this is it's replicating the kind of obstacles you'd find on an actual site, one of which we've already spoke about in the actual podcast we've done. But the first one, the plumbers have kindly piped over your FCU here. Next one, the plasterers are filled in your back box. 2 parts to the challenge. First one, really simple. All you've got to do is using the screwdriver, open the fuse drawer, take the fuse out, put it back in, close it. Second bit, you've got to chisel out all the plaster which we put in there, especially for you guys, using our really amazing high-end tools. Get the cable, strip it, and wire the mode socket. Timed event, so once you've got the mode socket on there and the screws are done, that's it. Both understand?
Yeah.
Both feeling confident?
Yeah.
Who's gonna go first?
I'll go first.
Graham's going first. Right then, so, how you feeling, Graham?
Good.
So this one first, though.
Yeah.
You ready, Graham?
Yep, ready.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Right, it's fiddly. He's getting the fuse out.
Shaky there, mate.
He's a bit shaky. That's out. It's back in. Right, first one done. Next one. Oh. He's dented our board. I'm just gonna pretend that didn't happen.
A bit more worried about getting dirty.
He said that's how he did it on the AM2.
Yeah. Make sure you got enough plaster out there to get your socket.
Right up, wouldn't it?
You can use the screwdriver as a chisel if you want. This ain't a bad time. Pressure's on the ground, your hand shaking?
Yeah.
Is that shaking? I can
It
see.
is.
You got to double them ends.
He said he was tidy in the episode.
Shaky Stephen. No, I'm not doubling the
You're
ends.
not doubling over?
No.
That's a 10-second penalty, isn't it?
Tell you what, this is quick. You put that in the right terminal there, Graham.
Yeah. I've done a few thousand of these.
You got it all over your shoes, mate.
I know,
Oh,
I know.
God.
Tell you what,
I
Graham.
didn't think I was going to get dirty on a Friday.
He's
dropped
dropped the screw.
Can I find the
You
screw?
are at 1 minute 15 so far. This ain't a bad time, you know. He could do this.
No pressure, but you could do this.
Yeah. If you don't do this, I'm going to be disappointed, really, Graham. If you don't get the fastest score here.
Oh,
You'd
mate.
have
I
just-
haven't cross-threaded it at all.
Yeah,
Oh, my God. You haven't fallen at the final hurdle, mate.
I have. No, I'm done, mate. I'm done.
I tell you what,
Without that being cross-threaded.
I've stopped the clock at 2:38.
Yeah.
I think you were on time
Yeah.
to beat the fastest score. Right then, Sparky Pete, you've seen Graham have a go. How do you feel about this one?
Really confident now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right then, so you know the rules. I don't need to explain them again. I'd say ready when you are.
Right.
Let's get the. He's taking this off. It's getting serious now.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Right.
Maybe that's where you went wrong. Right then, are you ready?
With tool in hand?
No,
No, okay.
no. Well, I don't know the rules, but no one else does. So let's keep
Okay.
it. Let's keep it
Keep it
consistent. Right then, in 3. Remember, we're going to go for this one first.
Yeah.
And if you want to troll him, get in his head.
No.
Like, let's
need to.
do it.
Bolt.
Right then, in 3, 2, 1, go. Got to get that the fuse drawer out. Oh, he's dropped the fuse.
That's a good tactic.
Next one. There we go. Right then, got to chisel all this out. This is where the shaky hands come into play. Tell you what, I think he's learned from you, Graham.
Not my first time with plasterers.
Make sure you got enough clearance in there. You ain't doing too bad, you know. Looks like he's done this before. You'd hope so.
One.
Not a bad time. We're 1 minute. 1 minute gone. He's doing good. He means business, doesn't he? He shaking?
Always.
Any shaking?
Blood pressure.
Pressure's off.
Ooh, 1 minute 30. Again, we could get a new fastest time. But getting these screws in isn't always the easy bit. Are they in? This is a good time. How you feeling? Yeah. I hope my presence here is helping.
I'm just glad to have you on board.
2 minutes gone. Forearm fatigue kicking in. He's got people who does this for him now.
It's the hardest bit.
Oh, same thing, cross-threaded.
Oh, mate.
You got a bite?
Yeah.
You tell me when.
Happy.
Just under 3 minutes.
Right,
That weren't a bad time.
That screw at the end just shows you
Left hand screw.
We drew blood as well.
Oh, probably.
You bled all over our nice clean socket here. That was a good time though. How'd you find that?
Yeah. Just another day at the office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna have another go, Graham?
Might as well.
Oh, then Graham, you wanted a rematch, didn't you?
Yeah.
You felt like you didn't quite get what you
Yeah,
wanted.
it's just cross-threading them screws, so.
Okay, well, you know the rules.
Yeah.
So let's go straight in.
All right.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
3, oh no, whoa.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Right then, drawer open, fuse out, fuse back in, drawer closed. Cool, calm and collected now. Now he knows what he's doing. I can still see
shaky.
a little bit of shaky hands though. Pete's watching, he's judging you.
How not to do it.
Would you have him on site, Pete? He's doing well, but this is where it gets tricky. Not everyone can do this, you know. 1 minute gone. It's still a good time. You could still get the fastest time.
Coming in for a closer look.
Pressure's on now, Graham. Everyone's getting in.
Can he cross-thread these screws?
There's one fitting in. You've got to be quick now, Graham, if you want this fastest time.
I can't go any quicker. Ugh.
This is a good time. This is getting close now.
You can waste a minute just doing this, can't you?
You tell me when you're done and I'll stop the clock.
Done.
What do you think the time was?
I don't know. 2 minutes?
1 minute 50. What's the fastest?
Oh,
So you got the fastest.
happy with that. Happy with that. Pete's turn again.
Is the current champion.
Thank
Well
you.
done, Graham.
Woo!
Yeah.
Happy days.
Well done.
Yeah, lunchtime now.
Right then, guys, you've both come in. You've both done really well, actually. It is not easy. It looks a lot easier than you think it is, but when you're actually doing this and your hands start shaking in and you're struggling, it's a whole other thing. So if you want to come in and have a go and try and beat the new fastest time, then please get in touch. But as always, remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and we'll see you in the next one.